In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email inbox to HubSpot in 2025. This is a quick and easy process, and in just 5 minutes, you'll have your inbox synced with HubSpot, allowing you to streamline your email communications and manage them all from one convenient location within the platform. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot homepage by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Logging in will bring you to the HubSpot home where all your tools and data reside. Now on your HubSpot dashboard, you'll need to locate the settings option. This is typically represented by a small gear icon, often found towards the top right of your screen. Click this icon to open a menu of settings related to your account and preferences. In the settings menu, you'll see several different categories on the left hand side. We're interested in the email section, so go ahead and click on email. This action will take you to the email settings page where you'll be able to manage different aspects related to your email connections. On the email settings page, look for the button that says Connect Personal Email. Clicking this button will direct you toward the process of syncing your personal email account with HubSpot. It's a straightforward process, and in many cases, HubSpot will offer streamlined integration with popular email service providers like Gmail, Outlook, and others. Once you've initiated the connection process for your personal email, the next step is to finalize the connection by clicking on Connect Your Inbox. This step is crucial as it ensures that all of your incoming and outgoing emails are synced with HubSpot, enabling you to engage with your contacts more effectively right from the CRM itself. While HubSpot does offer a lot of flexibility and features like email tracking and templates once your inbox is connected, take a moment to review any additional permissions or settings that may pop up, especially if your email provider has extra security steps in place. Often you'll need to grant HubSpot certain permissions to access your email. And that's it, you've successfully connected your email inbox to HubSpot. This integration will help you save time, stay organized, and ensure you never miss an important email from your contacts again. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your email fully integrated with HubSpot. Remember to explore all the features that HubSpot has to offer now that your email is connected, as this will open up a host of opportunities for more efficient customer relationship management.